obscenity. So what is obscenity? Obscenity that is something indecent material of mga obscene content na sexual or mga dirty thoughts. So in Bisaya pa ng mga bastos ng mga pictures na makauna at mga binastos. So the court explained that nude images are not anatomically immoral. Now judge not anatomically immoral, it is because naka-violate siya sa law o especially in the Article 201. So matawag siya because they has also been considered works of art. So and if ang mga colored pictures consider siya as legal na siya if purpose na is for art or mga art designers or mga art exhibitions to display sa mga places, no? The next is the indecent photograph and literature published in newspaper. So now for the case of people certain letters that involve the publication of photograph in the tabloid weekly review showing a man and a woman engaging sexual intercourse along with the article described the act. So the court wrote that publication was obscene because it was intended to excite the imagination. So nalabag siya sa article kasi it is because the sexual intercourse nila into the public or i-post nila into the public media or spread nila to many people, no? And to excite imagination. So ang mga readers is magbasa sila na is makaano na silang mga dautan or mga binastos yun when it comes into sexual and can open public decency. So most common is mga public worlds na ito, no? Pag mga public worlds can cause ka na mahulaw naman pwede mo sila maka-different na. Then the court explained that when the human body or sexual acts are natural and not immoral within private. So when you engage sexual intercourse region, hindi na parang mag-video, pwede naman secret at can violate the law siya. Pero if kung mag-video mo, then i-post ninyo ito na media or spread ninyo sa mga people, you can violate the Article 201 or moral sensitivity na ito maka-harm sa mga public morals. So next is the word gave away in paragraph 3 of Article 201 should be read in review. So it means the law punishes the distribution or circulation of or indecent material to the public or many people that merely the act of giving such material. So it means this law punishes people who involve or who kanang nakabang to spread or to distribute mga indecent material or mga obscene material to the public or to the public media. Example, kanang post mo or kanang mga viral, diba, ipang central na. And it focuses on the provision is to prevent the spread. So this law is to prevent the spread of obscene, to protect or to stop the spreading of mga obscene content. The next is the Article 3 na kasi dua ka cases ka example. First is the People versus Congo. The court ruled that Article 201 punishes the distribution of illicit or obscene content. So People versus Congo is focuses niya on how many people involved in that cases. Kung pila ka person ang para na ng gapuyog or kanang na-involve na like kanang ipasa-pasa ng mga buwan, mga indecent material or mga obscene content, pagkalat. Then, sa People versus Disorder naman is the court explains that the term gateway. So, there po siya is the or sa kapoy, mga ilang ibuhat. Ginot sa kanilang pagbuhat. Like, isang buhat. Through media ba, magkala sila, through media ba, i-share ba nila? Or through kanang-chismis ba? So next is the mixtures with slight degree of acidity not used for architects for commercial purposes fall under the under this article. So in the people versus movement, the court ruled that mixtures with even slight degree of acidity listed by this article 01 of the revised number of the Philippines if they are shown commercial purposes. So para naman mo sa commercial purposes is to make money or money sa pamata. Basta, exchange of money with some so, the other word, even the slightly marketing content can be illegal if they are shown to the public na exchange to some money or to earn money. However, the word explains that if the same pictures are displayed are exhibit. So in the same pictures sa babaw, no? Maligal siya if they are shown to the public na ang kanang image is for art purposes and which siya for art exhibitions and display in the rooms, no? So the purpose of this law is very common to that. The purpose of the law is to protect or to prevent public morals of the so this composition of the territorial factors, paintings or other materials involved in a village river collection can be governed by the following rules. So the next reporter will continue.
Sandigan mo.
So first, upon conviction of offender to be forfeited, its favor of the government to be destroyed. So, nasabtan na daw, destroyed. So once ang authorities makapos sila ng mga tao o ang mga illegal items such as mga cities na diba bawal na mga cities kaos kapag makita na dili na sila iyakan balik nila lang sipon. Okay, for example, kung natin ibalik o kuhatan, may tendency na pwede ba sila ikaligat sa. So instead of kanang iyakan balik, ila lang kumon para ma-secure or ma-itan ko nila ka na na-joy, na-destroy yun ba? Wala na joy, even though dilitanan sa naratakpan, may makuha nila. Pero for those, kailangan makuha. Next, we heard the criminal case against the leader of the decree results in an acquittal submitted in favor of the government to be destroyed after forfeiture proceedings conducted by the chief of constabulary. So, kasi siya, so wala to siya, diba na, sa katawag sa kontrata siya as guilty. If that case is acquitted, means that, siya, basta, the items will be still forfeited and destroyed after proper proceedings. Forfeited means parang waon. Waon, basta, sa sige, whether it is, na alam mo sa siya o kanang nakasuhan sa wala, whether ano siya ka na innocent or found the items na allowed sa law. May example ka mga cities na mga words, mga items like drugs, na na, why na nila, kapag sila, akala siya, na kung mag-epekto sa mga what lang yeah. So see if the person agrees by the word for future action within 15 days after he is received of a copy of the decision appeal, the matter the security of national defense for review. The decision of the Secretary of National Defense shall be so, what is the right to appeal?
Kapoy na lingkod ka.
Mapil ko na. Isang pala ba? Kami dula, hindi ka papilon. Mapil ka. Mana kayo na? Ha? Mapil. Mapil. Kanang mapil ka, pag dili ka kuhan sa court.
Kung kanang, for example, ikaw ang ikasuhan, kapalo ka sa inyong part, fair para sa inyong habang, kaso, ikaw, dili to serve sa inyong mga kaso, pwede ikaw magpilianan. Pero kung kapalo ka, tama yung basta,
Cruz.
basta sila bibigyan sa inyong sila, yung parang anak ba yung kaya sila ba? Basta nila sa web lang sa lang, even though sila ba rin ito lang sa ad. So, pwede sila maka-appeal na within 15 days na pagka-claim. It's 15 days after receipt of copy of decision. So, the appeal goes to the Secretary of National Defense and National Lines. Secretary reviews the case and makes a important point like the decision of the Secretary is final and therapy appeals further. So, ano siya ang ginagawa pa rin mo kaya fairness o sa katao na kung ano nili, pare unfair ba? Pare ano bias. Dili forget, kaya siya, kaya sa dati na kapilano. Kaya siya, dati ako, so next, additional penalties in case the offender is a government official or employee allows the violation of section 1 thereof, the penalty as provided for each of imposed in its maximum period. An additional accessory penalty is provided for in the revised penal code as amended. So, what is now guys? What is now mga additional penalties but yung kawalan na kanagaling ko rin kanang masingan nila dili. Dili, for example, yata siya kanila, dili nila kauya ang kaso. Marami, ano lang ba na, marami, gabay na, nagkabalan siya, mabaya siya, pwede siya pwede mana niya nga, penalty panagan siya, ang kanan niya sa penalty. Wala siya mga penalties sa so next, obscene publications and essentials under the Public Act number 16. So, alin ka pa naman nag-obscene no? Obscene shows or publications, kaya kung siya ang mga sige, ano na lang, may mga ganyan examples, mga series, mga workshops, wala, kasi siya ang mga obscene publications and incidentals and others. So, any person shall hire, employ, use, persuade, induce, or curse a child to perform substitution and incident and incident shows, whether in or in design or in video posts or whether in obscene publications or pornographic materials, or to sell or distribute the said materials shall suffer the penalty of superior in its legal period. So, ang siya, it means kung kita involved ikaw sa kabata especially ang minor ka o pagkatawon, pagkuhaton, ano ka kakyaso or ka article kay ano siya ano ka for example mag-live po yung pinagaya live po sa kabata ang video, ano ba quotes, model, publications kaya pwede siya mag-cover of prison mayor penalties. So next, if the child used as a performer, subject, or sealer, distributor is below 12 years old of age, the penalty shall be imposed to maximum period. So most of kanike, ang kalabanan sa ugat kay sinagamit nilang bata kay mas mas dali mahalin. So pag pwede na sa mga maximum period, 2 years to 14. Any attendant, guardian, or person entrusted in any capacity with care of a child who shall cause and or allow such child to be employed or to participate in an activity, act, movie, or show in any or act covered by sections of summer period. So, ano siya? If
Kamu rin dito rin.
ikaw yalaw ang sa mga bata or sumo, na ano ba nagkami, nag-aasik ka ganun without kanang pagsatawal na mga minoridat siya, hindi mo makasuhan of Quezon Mayor in its video period. So, let's proceed to the article. Background and
Paghilom dira kaburog.
Lubi yung tinarang naman.
So, ang proceed na prostitutes for the purpose of article, women who are money or profit habituality, indulge in sexual intercourse or the vicious and that are deemed to be prohibited. So, ang kanito ba naman ang mga prostitutes to? Mga balaya, so, kahit kung ilanay po at tungkol kayo, wala man sila, kaulang sila kwarta, ilanay sila kwarta, so wala makapakas sa kampayo, dana. So, each person found guilty of any offense covered in article shall be punished by our superior. So, kapag ma-identify ka, hindi ka makasuhan o kasi man or fine life, hindi ko pero ba meron ba siya guys? And in case of Silitita, by our superior, it is no prison Minimum period of time ranging from 100 to 2,000 pesos are sold in the description of the word. Kapag pwede siya instead of 200, pwede siya 200 to 2,000 pesos. Next.
Basta lang kaya.
So Article 202 not applicable to minors.
Alam mo yung basta.
Persons below 18 years old. 18 years of age shall be exempt from distribution for the crimes of pregnancy and distribution under Section 22 of the revised penal code from under 18 years old so on or 14. Okay, under Hello. Grabe, ilan pa ba na sila? So at sleeping or rugby under President President number stated such as prosecution may inconsistent with the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child, provided that said person shall undergo an appropriate counseling and treatment program. So, children below 18 years old cannot be prosecuted for motion pregnancy, prostitution, or pregnancy pay. Instead, they will undergo counseling, istoryahan, and rehabilitation program. So it means, ang bata ay hindi siya kriminal. Kundi hindi siya kriminal. Pero ganit ka sila o lamang or sa mga lamang
Nakabutangin daw.
ganit sila ang lamang para rapod sila kumalaga yung future na kung ano sila overcome sila sila nila kasi bono nila buwan. So that's always ang next category. So when we say visible needs of support for current needs of subsistence means having a local and clear source of income for livelihood. So what's going on natin source of income or natin from household. So in this first slide, it shows here that a 23-year-old person who is physically able to work but doesn't have a job or local occupation that only spends time in the streets or dumping places is considered to have no visible needs of support or apparent needs of subsistence because the person has no reliable source of income ng mga pag-support sa ihang basic or daily needs. So even if the mother, the provider, the hatag sa ihang inagpay, hindi ka po na siya consider na na siya apparent needs of support or apparent needs of subsistence. Especially if he has no legal right for ang mother na ay limited financial capacity. Loitering around salons and gambling houses is vagrancy only when there is evidence of absence of visible needs of support. So, loitering means kanang katambay good or just wandering around na walay reasonable walay income or walay clear purpose sa iyang pagtambay. And consider na vagrancy or a punishable offense if not evidence that a person has no visible needs of support or no normal job or occupation. So, yan naman punishable man ang loitering. No punishes loitering, not serving in the public, but pinapunish mo siya kayo to avoid, kaya may alaman tendency nga na may mga tambay na makagamaw ng criminal act. And because it also signals indulgence ka nang makaya kundi mo you were able to do work kaya mo magitag-upra pero mas pinili mo magtambay and mag-earn mag-grind it is punishable because it is a way to protect public order and encourage self-sufficiency. Next, the decency and completing the decency Presidential Decree number 1563 related to the Decency Law of 1978. So, ang mendicant is for a person who are physically able to do work but chooses begging as a way of living. Usually ka nang makita ko na to ang anak mga kapakito sa makaya, pero sa ako is makaya na din ang ikaw kung trabahan ng mga dapat, pero pili nila ang boss. And the penalty of this is fine not exceeding 500 or imprisonment up to 2 years or both at the court discretion. Next is penalty for repeat offenders. Kung makita na kung makita ka po na balik-balik na yung hindi mo pa penalty for repeat offenders who are more convictions. Fine not exceeding 1,000 or imprisonment up to 4 years or both. Giving out severity to mendicants, exploited infants or minors in public places. When you say abiding mendicancy is pero ang house is usually money or food or other help. But in the law, giving out directly to beggars can sometimes be punishable if it encourages mendicancy, especially when children or minors are involved. So, ang mga vloggers, kaya mga content creators, consider ko na natin abiding mendicancy. So, it depends. Kaya tawag na lang siya abiding mendicancy if the vloggers is ginagamit na media for content, then kaya tawag na lang po na siya abiding mendicancy if kanang paghatak niya is kanang pagsamot ng god sa isa ka mendicant na kung bali-bali na yapon gama sa sinakakutang. And the penalty is the fine not exceeding. Backgrounds under paragraph 3 of Article 102, which make this under mentioned earlier, a person is considered background if they fall into any of these categories. First, it will be noted that the background under paragraph 3 must be either first, an illegal or dissolute person who lodged in houses or in faith, and as someone who does nothing productive in state places or in a house of God. Magsaway to European or thief, and these are the person involved in criminal or immoral activities such as exploiting other God. That is one habitually associates with prostitutes, and always associate or spend time with prostitutes. Prostitutes are women who habitually indulge in sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct for money or profit. So, under Article 202 of the Revised Penal Code, a prostitute is a woman who repeatedly engaged in sexual intercourse or lascivious acts with different men in exchange for money or profit. So, consider na lang siya mga prostitution if the act must be habitual and must be done for money or profit. So, kung wala involved na money ka, wala yung nag-consider na siya yung So, important thing na ay ang exception ang ego. But like